Hello, and welcome to the Faculty Multimedia Center's Quick Start Guide for the Small Rig All-in-One Video Kit. This multifunctional smartphone stabilizer helps you capture either horizontal or vertical footage, handheld camera movement, or still shots on a tripod. The included microphone and LED light also make it perfect for recording high-quality interviews or talking head footage on the go. The kit includes a smartphone cage that holds your device and additional accessories, such as a mini shotgun microphone, LED light, and handle grips. This may seem like a lot, so let's walk through the assembly together. To begin, locate the tripod and smartphone cage within the case. To attach the cage to the tripod, loosen the side knob and detach the tripod's base plate. Once removed, align the base plate with the center screw hole at the bottom of the cage. Use a coin, key, or other screwdriver-like object to tighten the base plate into place. Keep in mind, the side where you attach the base plate will determine the smartphone's orientation. Reattach the base plate to the tripod by tightening the knob. Next, locate the two side handles in the case. Attach them to the left and right sides of the cage using the built-in screws. If using the included mini shotgun microphone, grab the red shock mount and slide the bottom into one of the available slots on the cage. To lock into place, tighten the shock mount's dial. Attach the microphone to the shock mount by snapping it into place in the direction you will be recording. Plug the provided aux cable into the back of the microphone. You will be provided with a USB-C or Lightning cable adapter based on your device to plug into your phone. If using the LED light, slide its mount into the remaining slot on the phone cage, facing the direction you will be recording, and then tighten into place. Finally, insert your phone into the center of the cage. Use the knob on the top middle bracket and tighten the grip to fit your phone's width. After you finish your production, disassemble the rig by reversing the assembly process and place everything in its original spot within the case. For more information or assistance, please visit us in the Faculty Multimedia Center or email us at fmc@ucf.edu.